Hello. So today we're going to install hatch, or we're going to add hatches. Okay, so first let's look at all the hatch that I will need to install. So basically what I will need to do here is to just select all, click copy. Now we need to go to a specific directory, that is specific locations. Let's see, that is C, and then users, then is so your account, you need to look for your account, and then let's see, so there has to be an app data. Let's see, let's first go to file, search, let's search, let's type folder options and then enter. Let's see, check view. Let's just first check this one, show hidden files, folders and drives. Let's uncheck this one, apply. Okay, so let's see. So right now I can now see AppData and then roaming. Then after the roaming, let's see the next Autodesk. And then after Autodesk, so I am using Autodesk 2023. So after that, after the Autodesk, I'm using AutoCAD 2023. And then let's click on this folder and this one as well, and then support. Now let's just paste word on this support folder. Let's paste the hatch. Right. Click on replace. Alright, now let's check if the hatch can now be used. Okay, so let's type the hatch now. See if this will work. Custom pattern. Alright, so these are the these are the hatches that we have installed, right? Okay, so that's it. I can now use these hatch. Alright, so let's see, this is okay, so this may be too big for the scale. Let's see. Let's see this one. Alright, so I'm good with this one, and thank you so much for watching.